Hey guys, it's Navi with TendieTrader. Welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about rule setting in options trading, just to make sure you have the right framework when you are trading options. So before we get started, if you guys do enjoy the video, don't forget to hit subscribe and like below. It gives us a lot of great feedback on what type of videos are resonating with our viewers. Also, drop us a comment if you have any questions or feedback around the video. Would love to hear from you guys. All right, so setting rules. I think one of the most important things for new traders to kind of understand when getting into options trading is that it's not a YOLO mentality that works, right? Sure, you may get lucky here and there, but even if you're going to YOLO your account, you got to make sure that you're working within the confines of your own personal rules, right? Uh, Ultimately, without that framework or that foundation being built and the box that you're working within, you're ultimately gonna to make more emotional decisions. And the goal of these rules is to actually make more strategic decisions and data-based decisions rather than emotions. Because as we know in investing and in trading, emotional intelligence is the key to consistently making profits and making gains on your trades. So I wrote a few rules up here that I've seen or heard from my fellow traders, and ultimately, these aren't things that you don't need to follow every single one of them. Ultimately, these are examples of rules that people put in place for themselves. Number three, bankroll management. Ultimately, that is a set of rules from which you can minimize the variance to make sure that over the long run, you're going to be a profitable trader and you're not over leveraging any single trade. Spending 25% of your account on one position that is extremely risky. Only trading 3 to 4 tickers, another great one when you're first starting out. Get to know these companies, get to know their stocks, the price of these options, and ultimately the way it moves on a day-to-day basis. Even when earnings are going up or coming up, as well as any news that might drive sentiment around these stocks. Tesla is a great example. You can make a lot of money just playing the swings, intraday swings on Tesla. Um, but either way, whatever rules you do pick, just make sure that you're actually sticking to them. It's one thing to set them, it's a second thing to actually stick to it. So write them down, set that framework for yourself, and just make sure you're sticking to it as you get into options trading. I promise you, over the long run, it will pay off. All right, guys, that was it for today's video. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe and visit us at TendieTrader.com. Tons of great articles, videos, and content on getting started in options trading. All right, well, thanks for watching the video, guys. Catch you all on the flip side.